How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Today is 8th September 2020 Tuesday. How's the weather outside? Cloudy because the rainy season is going on. So student, our today's topic is exercise for I sound word. The sound of I, E. The sound of I, E. So our first exercise is COMPLETE, complete. THE, CROSS, cross. WORDS, words, cross words. WITH, with. THE, HELP, help. OF, off. PICTURES, pictures. Okay, repeat with me. Complete the crosswords with the help of pictures. Okay, so here I drawn crossword. Okay, you look at this picture and fill up the crossword. Okay, so here look at this picture properly. Which picture is this? Lead. Which picture is this? Lead. So here 1, 2 and 3 blocks. So here we write lead, lead. Lead, lead. Okay, lead, lead. Last letter the, lead, lead. But here look at this picture. Which picture is this? You look at this picture properly. Deep. Deep. Last letter the. So here write deep. Deep. Again one more time. Lead, lead. Deep. Okay, and here look at this picture. Which picture is this? Pig. Which picture is this? Pig. Pig. Okay, so here write P and egg. Pig. Pig. Children, you look at this picture properly and after fill up this crossword. Okay, lead, lead. Deep. Pig. Next, which picture is this? Kit. What is this? Kit. So here we write kit. Kit. Okay. Kit. Here tip. Which picture is this? Tip. Tip. Here we write tip. Tip. Okay, and here which picture is this? Peat. Okay, so here we write peat. You understand this exercise? Yes, very good. And here which picture is this? Tin. Do you see tin? Yes, very good. tin. So here we write t in tin. Okay. T in tin. Repeat with me. Ka it kit. T ip tip. P it pit. And t in tin. And last, our third crossword. Here, which picture is this? Zip. Z-ip, zip. So here we write Z-ip, zip. Okay. You write with me. Okay. Z-ip, zip. Z-ip, zip. And here, which picture is this? Pin. Which picture is this? Pin. Here we write P in pin. Okay. Okay. Yes. P in pin. P in pin. And here, which picture is this? Nib. Which picture is this? Nib. So here we write na, ib, nib. Na, ib, nib. Yes, very good. And here, which picture is this? Bin. Which picture is this? Bin. Okay. Ba in bin. Here we write ba in bin. Ba in bin. Children, repeat with me this third crossword. Z-ip, zip. P in pin. Na-ib, nib. And last, ba in bin. Okay. Our next exercise. N-A-M-E, name. T-H-E, the. G-I-V-E, and given. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. Repeat with me this sentence. N-A-M-E, name. T-H-E, the. G-I-V-E-N, given. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. So children, you look at this picture properly, and after you write here its name. Okay. Which picture is this? Tell me. Come on fast. Yes, very good. Beeb. So here we write B-ib, beeb. Okay. You write with me, children. B-ib, beeb. B-ib, beeb. B-ib, beeb. Next, which picture is this? Pig. Which picture is this? Fig. So here we write P-ig, pig. F-ig, fig. F-ig, fig. Next, which picture is this? 6. Which picture is this? 6. So here we write S-ix, 6. S-ix, 6. S-ix, 6. S-ix, 6. And here, which picture is this? Peat. Pa-it, peat. Pa-it, peat. So here we write Pa-it, peat. Pa-it, peat. Pa-it, peat. Okay. And here, which picture is this? Tell me. Wig. Which picture is this? Wig. So here we write W-ig, wig. W-ig, wig. Children, you write with me. ig, wig. V, ig, wig. V, ig, wig. And here, which picture is this? Nib. Which picture is this? Nib. So here we write na, ib, nib. Na, ib, nib. Na, ib, nib. This exercise, children, repeat with me. Ba, ib, beeb. Fa, ig, fig. Sa, ix, six. Pa, it, pit. Wa, ig, wig. And last, na, ib, nib. So children, our third exercise. L-O-O-K, look. A-T, at. T-H-E, the. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. A-N-D, and. T-I-C-K, tick. The. T-H-E, the. C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E, sentence. Okay. So, look at the picture and tick the correct sentence. You look at this picture carefully and read this sentence carefully. After which sentence is right? And after you tick right. Okay. So, read this sentence. T-H-E, the. L-I-T, id, lead. Id, lead. I-S, is. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. It, kid. Okay. You one more time repeat with me. T-H-E, the. Id, lead. I-S, is. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. It, kid. Okay. And next sentence, read this sentence. Okay. You read both sentence after you decide which sentence right. Okay. T-H-E, the. Id, kid. H-A-S, has. L-I-D, lead. So, we read both sentences. Okay. And here the lead is on the kit. Okay. So, which sentence right? This? No, this is wrong sentence. So, this sentence is right. The lead is on the kit. Next, which picture is this? Tell me. Big fig. Which picture is this? Big fig. Okay. So, we read these both sentences. Okay. T-H-E, the. P-in, pin. I-S, is. B-ig, big. Okay. And next, T-H-E, the. F-ig, fig. I-S, is. And B-ig, big. So, the fig is big. The fig is big. So, which sentence right? Tell me. This? No. This? Yes. The fig is big. So, Here we tick. Right. Okay. Third. Which picture is this? Beeb. Which picture is this? Beeb. Okay. The beeb. T-H-E. The beeb. Beeb. Okay. Here we drawn pin. What we drawn? Yes. Okay. T-H-E. The beeb. Beeb. H-A-S has a zip. Zip. The beeb has a zip. Okay. We read next sentence. T-H-E. The beeb. H-A-S has a pin. So children, the beeb has a pin. So which sentence right? Tell me. This? The beeb has a zip? No. It is wrong sentence. So which sentence right? Yes. The beeb has a pin. The beeb has a pin. And which picture is this? Dustbin. Okay. Bin. And here which picture is this? Nib. So we read this both sentences. Okay. T-H-E. The neeb. Neeb. I-S. Is. O-N. On. T-H-E. The. In. Tin. The nib is on the tin. Next. T-H-E. The. Neeb. Nib. I-S. Is. O-N. On. T-H-E. The. In. Bean. The nib is on the bean. Okay. So tell me which sentence right? This? The nib is on the tin? No, it is wrong. So which sentence right? Yes, this. The nib is on the bean. Okay. So we tick here. So children, you understand this exercise? You repeat with me. Okay. You look at this picture carefully and after you decide which sentence right and after you tick correct. Okay. So the lid is on the kit is right sentence. Okay. The lid is on the kit. Next, the fig is big. The fig is big is right sentence. The beeb has a pin. You look at this picture. This is beeb and here pin. So the beeb has a pin. And last, the nib is on the bean. You look at this picture. This is bean and here nib. So the nib is on the bean. Okay. So children, you write this exercise, book number 3, page number 16, 17 and 20. Thank you.